Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Eva here, and if you have been following me for a while, you know how much I love Nama J2 juicer. But today I am super excited because we are diving into something brand new, one of a kind, revolutionary. Nama has just launched the first M1 plant-based milk maker. It is incredible. If you are looking for a machine that makes creamy, delicious, nutritious milk, that's easy to use, quick to clean, and produces a Barista quality milk that's better than anything else on the market, this is it. In today's video, I will cover everything you need to know about the M1, how it works, why you would love it, how to set it up, how much does it cost, and even how to clean it. And of course, we will be making 5 amazing recipes from scratch using only wholesome ingredients. So let's jump right in. Making plant-based milk at home is not only healthier, but also more sustainable. You control the ingredients you put in with no preservatives, no additives, just pure wholesome ingredients. Store-bought milks are typically only 2 to 10% nuts or oats, with the rest being water and additives. With the M1, you get more of the good stuff, thicker, creamier, smooth milk with no grit but high nutrients milk. Let's talk about the packaging. Nama has really gone the extra mile in sustainability. No plastic in the packaging. The ink of the boxes is water-based and plant-based. The packaging is eco-friendly and can be repurposed in the garden to suppress weeds, for example. And of course, all the printed materials like the recipe book and the manual are recyclable. This recipe book is incredible. It has tons of amazing milk, creamers, and pulp recipes that are so delicious, and we will be trying some of them later, so stay tuned. It also comes with a quick guide. The main components come protected in reusable bags with cotton strings that can be used for produce. So let's see what we got here. The recipe book, quick guide, manual, the base, chamber, milk pitcher, the quart pulp pouch, and the brush. Then there is the filter basket, blade frame, and chamber lid. Now the chamber comes with a little quick recipe guide. It's totally cute and very handy if you want a quick look for a basic milk recipe. Setting up M1 is a breeze. Here we have the filter and the blade frame that comes already assembled, and to remove it, simply pull the frame out of the filter to clean it. The setup is really easy. You can do it on the counter or on the base. The pitcher has a measuring lines for up to 4 cups is what it's recommended for the amount of water to be added to the blender. The lid of the pitcher is actually 1 cup that can be used for measuring the nuts. The base in the back has a switch on position, and in the front there is a start and cancel button to begin. The default blend time is 1 minute, but you can adjust the time with control knob if needed. I love the digital feature where the blender is communicating with what needs to be done next. It reminds you to put on the lid or close the spout. It's great safety feature that I love, especially if you have kids. The M1 blender will not turn on unless the lid and the spout is closed. First, we are going to make the basic almond milk, and I will show you how the machine works. I will let it run the whole course at the real time after I open the spout, so you can see step by step how it works and makes this awesome Barista milk. Here I add all the ingredients to the pitcher, but you can add them straight to the filter inside the blender. I just prefer it this way. Then you secure the lid and turn on the start button for 1 minute, as it is recommended in the recipe book. When the blending is complete, the M1 prompts you to open the spout and pour the milk into the pitcher. There's a 10 seconds countdown, and then the spin cycle automatically runs for 45 seconds to extract more milk from the pulp. Here's where the magic happens. The M1 uses 2 steps process to separate the ingredients from the milk, maximizing the yield. The spinning action gently separates the liquid without applying heat, so all the flavor and nutrition stays intact. The result is silky, smooth Barista milk with perfect mouthful. The pulp that's left behind is dry, and you can use it for other recipes like crackers or baked goods. Now let's talk about why the M1 is so special. There are tons of store-bought brands available, but most of them lack quality and contain added sugars, unwanted additives, and shelf stabilizers. With the M1, you combine the blending and straining process into one machine, so you get the most flavor and nutrients from your ingredients. The result is rich, creamy milk that doesn't taste watered down. That is what I love so much about it. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make barista quality plant-based milk at home in minutes, so no soaking is required. And of course, if you prefer soaking them overnight, you're welcome to do so. If you are like me and want to avoid store-bought ingredients that are full of additives, this machine is a game changer. After the milk is done, we can empty the filter by removing the blade frame with the pulp onto the pulp pouch, so you can store the fiber for later use to make desserts or crackers. You can refrigerate or store it in the freezer. The pouch can also be used to dehydrate the pulp on it as well. By the way, the Nama M1 also comes in white color and it has 15-year warranty on the whole milk maker. This machine is built to last. The weight of the Nama M1 is 11.9 pounds and the height is 16.3 inches, which means it fits perfectly under the standard cabinet, so you can use it often without putting it away. The machine is stunning in both colors. If you are interested in the M1, I will have the link in my bio and in the description box down below the video. With my code EVAM1, you can save 10% off at checkout. The cleanup is just as easy. Minimal parts mean minimal washing. I just use soap and warm water to clean all the parts. It truly takes me less than 3 minutes. I use the brush mainly for the frame, and for the rest I like to use a sponge. By the way, the chamber, pitcher, and blade frame are BPA free, and the filter and blade is stainless steel. Is it dishwasher safe? Nama recommends only hand wash. As you can see, it's quickly and easy. Is Nama M1 worth it? Making plant-based milk at home with Nama M1 milk maker is not only healthier, but also significantly more cost-effective. Store-bought plant milks often contain only 2 to 10% nuts, with the rest being water and fillers, and they can cost between $4 to $10 per liter. For example, 1.36 kilogram bag of almonds, equivalent to 9 cups, cost around $18 at Costco, for example. With these 9 cups, you can make 9 liters of rich, creamy milk, free from preservatives and fillers, at just $2 per liter. For a family of 4 consuming 4 liters of plant milk per week, store-bought milk could cost between $20 to $40 weekly, which adds up to $960 to $1,920 annually. With the Nama M1, which costs $400, you not only save hundreds of dollars each year, but you also enjoy fresh, nutritious milk with pure ingredients. Plus, knowing exactly what goes into your milk is priceless. So in my view, investing in Nama M1 is absolutely worth it. Next, we are making golden milk from the recipe book. Golden milk made with turmeric and ginger provides powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, helping you to reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and support digestion. This combination also promotes joint health, relieve muscle pain, and enhance overall well-being. It's a wonderful way to stay cozy and healthy during the colder months. Golden milk is such a comforting drink with so many benefits. You can drink it as it is or warm it up. This is the creamiest milk ever. As for the pulp, make sure to save it for future baking. Chocolate hazelnut milk is next. You only need 4 ingredients. Quick and easy recipe and perfect for the chocolate lovers and kids. Hazelnuts are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. They also promote brain function, overall wellness through the nutrients-dense profile. Check out this amazing foam. This is the Barista quality milk and it's so creamy. Did I mention that M1 makes more than just milk? You can use it for infused olive oils, flavored water, soups, wellness shots, and more. Let's make matcha milk with only 5 ingredients. We love matcha in our house. Matcha tea with cashew milk is rich in antioxidants and provides sustained energy boost without the jitters, thanks to its unique combinations of lecithin and caffeine. This creamy blend not only supports mental clarity and focus, but also offers healthy fats and vitamins from cashew milk, making it a delicious and nutritious choice for any time of the day. Our last milk recipe is creamy oat barista milk. Oat milk provides a silky texture. Cashew contributes to the creaminess, while pumpkin seeds add a boost of protein. It's perfect addition to coffees or teas. It truly makes me feel like I'm drinking a latte. It's so creamy and delicious. You can add the creamer to your favorite coffee, green teas, or granola. The milk lasts 3 to 5 days in the fridge. If I have any left, I like to freeze it into ice cubes, but it never lasts that long. And remember the dry pulp, you can use it in cereals, cookies, and even store it for later use in the Nama silicone pulp tray. All I have to say is wow, the texture and the creaminess that the Nama M1 makes is out of the world. I'm so excited to make more recipes with you using the Nama M1, so be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss out. If you are looking for an easy way to make plant-based milk at home that's fresh, nutritious, and environmentally friendly, the M1 is your new best friend. Let me know in the comments down below which flavor of milk you would try at first, or what is your favorite plant milk. And if you are interested in the Nama M1, I will have the link in my bio and in the description box down below the video. You can use my code EVAM1 to save 10% at checkout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Love you guys.